Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming basics that matter. Battery above 20%, a backed up copy of your data, and the device model and OS version noted. Once done, power off fully, remove the case and any SD card or external accessory, and then power on using the standard button. This initial restart can clear temporary faults and tells you whether safe mode persists. If it returns, make sure you recorded recent app installs as they'll inform the next steps. You now diagnose, boot into safe mode to see if third-party apps caused the issue. Once in safe mode, open settings and uninstall the most recent or suspicious apps one at a time. This isolates the culprit. Make sure to clear app caches and restart after each uninstall to check results. If safe mode ends after removing an app, that app was the cause. If not, continue removing until normal boot returns because the how and why lie in app conflicts. You finish by restoring normal operation. First, try resetting system settings, which preserves data but clears misconfigurations. If that fails, back up and perform a factory reset. This removes persistent software faults. On Android, wiping the cache partition from recovery mode can also fix boot loops without data loss. If none of these work, document exact symptoms and repeated error messages, then contact the manufacturer or a service center. This helps technicians.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.